Alright guys, welcome to our mansion! Come on guys, bring it in. 4 of us, bring it in. What's up guys? We are heading camping!
What happened? Let me see. One time.
Ah! Go 1 more week before it goes away.
Oh,
I'm glad you picked me up. Outside with fresh air, boy, I'm glad that you're here. Lord, you got me feeling alive. Summertime.
Hi, say hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, say hi.
Greetings.
Hi. Hello. Oh, Rachel. DJ Camp, kick the camp.
Hey.
Everybody's vibing. It's like, where's Dane going?
Dane's right here, baby.
Hello! Welcome, welcome. So you in the B section right here.
Okay.
This is the B section. We all the B section.
Got it.
Guys, we just came on this property. I don't know how many acres she said this was. 7? 7 acres. People are starting to roll in. So Dane's trying to figure out this tent and Rachel's over here reading the instructions. So let's see how this goes.
It's getting lit. It just needs to have some heat too.
We're about to go to MTV Cribs in Alex's home. So, what are you doing right now?
Building from the outside.
I'm like in your home right now.
It's my mansion.
Your mansion! Yes!
You know, it's a little dirty right now, but it's everything. Everything I need is happening.
Alright, I'm coming. I'll sit inside while you guys do all the hard work. What's up guys? We are here camping as a group. With everything that's happening right now, we decided to sit back and
It's just you have to go
Alright guys, so we have a TP tent right here. Section C. Over here.
I don't know.
So guys, we are here at, what is this place called? Willow Creek?
Wilkerson
Wilkerson
Mill Farm.
Mill Farm. And right now people are pulling up. We have them setting up their tent. Look at this TP tent right here. Let me show you my crib. Show you all the magic happens. What's up guys? This is my crib right here. So yeah, you know we got different colors, orange, white, and gray. Come in. You can step in.
The organizers.
Let's celebrate, let's toast to all the good times and the bad times too. See the bad days are the reasons why your good days look so be just like you. There's no way we can lose.
Your boy Big Daddy need money. I don't play no games.
I'm gonna get a zoom on the lips. Oh no! Ooh. So guys, Kareem and Rachel got the fire down pat. Brother and sister, my hair is scared.
Everything I had,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, that's my pastor always says, like, the grave is not meant for people with potential. So,
Yeah.
like, if you go down with doubt, then you are killed.
Yeah.
And it lines with purpose, because it's like you're not meant to die before your purpose is fulfilled. So if you die before then you are killed.
Tell me, baby. Hey, do you have enough love inside of you for the both of us? When it gets tough, hey, show me that you love me, love me, love me.
Rise and grind. We made it. Next day at our campfire. Look at my friends over there.
Tell me, do you have enough love in you to help a nigga when he down, pull us through?
Alright guys, so one cool thing about this campsite is that it actually has a bathroom. I'm gonna walk you into the bathroom.
Hey, do you have enough love inside of you?
It's clean! So this spot has a restroom, but it doesn't have a shower. But it's okay though. It's all good.
Show me that you love a nigga. You know, you know.
You're going camping again? Oh, so this was just like a...
So let's see those moves. What's up guys, right now we are here at the camping sites and we have the mansion. We have the tribe members here, right there, the Moonlight Kids, full Moonlight Kids. That's full moon connection, is that what it is? Yes sir.
What to say when they all interrogate? Not today. Get up out my face, yeah. Trying to keep my faith. Steady pace. No one's safe, they gun them down and bright. Don't like the way you're moving in. Nah. Don't like the way you move. You trying to take me out. Hold up, is that a strap? Oh yeah, now I gotta make a real run. Lynching niggas don't make you a real one. Trying to take me out is what you want. Took me out, but I still live on. Oh yeah, all we really need is some healing. Black skin, I'm made for killing. Trying to see tomorrow, Lord willing. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. All we really need is some healing. Black skin, I'm made for killing. Trying to see tomorrow, Lord.